if you want to sit on that one. So today, finally, I got design our kitchen cupboard counter. Yes, so this is my space. Yeah, this is my space. Yeah, so I designed a kitchen counter. So, what it is. Kitchen counter is about 10 feet long right here. Stove space, small pieces of a stove and counter again. Right here. So, we're going to do a little pick. Put together. No, come on. For the foot, yeah, go for it. And the clown. Kind of come off my car. I'm going to here. Yes. Do it up the cream. Alright, so I do this to you. Push on, push on. Let's use our friends. Good one, last one. Center the county. Contracts here, baby. Good done. edges come. Not very special. Please. Can I see it? 2 down, 2 right. You done? Oh, just want to put one. You want to screw them up. Oh, I like that. You done? Don't look at me.
Front two, lot.
Alright, front one, alright. 1. Then I'm good. So I catch. You know, I don't know.
Front side two first.
Eh?
Front side two.
No. So you can get it on the door like this. Oh, that's okay. Now, let go. This. Now, put it back on the side, please. Knock off. Right here. Right there. Send come back in the cell.
Yes, they drop 2 this and drop 1 this one.
Man. Oh, yeah. So catch that one of them. Come up to this. The video now. You done? Let's screw that next. Look away to the screw. A light bucket. See the man in chair. I was saying that concrete screw, that's not a problem. Eh?
Them like, the loose better.
Yeah, but turn on. We catch up this one. And then we'll pop it. Catch up in this.
So it's all on.
Eh?
So that's all it's
Looking that. Oh, that's one. I use a big one, you know, obviously. Eh?
Yeah, what?
Yeah. What's one I center? Center, the center one. Good. Alright. So we carry on. I'll continue them. Do them. Yeah. So when I live in the now, move again. Alright, so that put one there, so. I'm gonna stop now, I'm gonna cut them. And put one and something like that, so. So what I want, give me the axle, with the axle. That's the axle. No, the big marker now. Alright. So I put that's alright? Mark the axle. No, but watch out. The front of this one, where you go? You just see.
What is that?
Eh?
What do you wait for the other station?
Get this one.
I said,
No, man, the axle more mark. You don't want the big one.
oh, the hang down.
No, you know, you catch this one. Mark it, use some axle mark.
You guys,
Yeah. No, too big honest. They cut us. But that's the question. Get up, let's try get up. But flip a piece over this one. And you push it like that. Tap 2 1 at a time. Put it there and catch it on. Easy to long piece for your catch it. Catch. Look for the line. Boy, might don't want the light for you. So I don't know, so. Alright, the brakes in.
Actually, we make it move.
Huh?
Then they turn around so it's like you move.
No, not talking about so long, man. That's all that for me.
But I mean, turn it.
No, that's not the state.
How much?
What's that fast for? Why did the touch slide on my bottom? Are you serious? Catch it, this can't catch. And the school from. Did you see if in school this year, right? Look at my turn on this side. Let's rest it on that. Keep on reaching back on it. Return. Then catch it now, catch it now, catch it. That's like something out of beat on my corner. Alright. That's what I was saying. That's all I mean. Good? Yes, sir. All right. Take off on this, I guess you use. There we go.
like footage on the
Oh,
side. That works.
She not like and show up on this one.
She got it.
You know, so I show one chicken, that's why I put a word in the home.
So why you can go and clean it up on the side?
Eh?
That's the one you can go and put up the side.
Yeah, try that. Go feet like. Go feet like, that kind of time. Yeah. I know what? Okay. So, framing out our kitchen counter. start and get on it.
The bends in the tone, the part I don't.
No,
Yeah, I'm still see you in church.
Push the back catch to the school. Yes, sir.
I think I'll just cheer for the end. I said, I can, for concrete can, I can.
Yeah, man. So the counter will not cut in the we'll cut the ply. So match the weight of the counter, but we don't want to destroy one with sheet of ply for that. So you know, stitch up here. I remember saying that the concrete down on here, I made the snow on here. No one up here, 5 hours.
And then we lick out the foot and pull the screw and just take out the whole of the board there, okay? We'll put it up.
Okay, if you plan to come on, so. Put no more over the second, but it's not going to hold my office, just catch it in. I don't know how to put it on it already. We can look at it. Catch it in. See, lift up your foot. And bring up in the air. Wait a minute, don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Now sit down on the board.
Yes, don't want the poster. Yeah, it's too high.
Say that easy top.
Yeah. Like I have a lot.
Pull back that screw there.
Nah, so like.
Why you not can comfort traffic?
No, because I pull this gear to rush it.
No, not for that. But pull back the end of it, they went to do this.
I post, you know.
So they know the top I post.
Yeah.
You know, that's how you want it. Like that. Oh, pull up over right now. That's why they still have a bread about that. We don't want them to push up and up there something. It's that soapy thing when the thing go pull now, you don't want to do it. You know, by school, that's easy. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We don't say.
Three more cookies now.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
You don't want to worry about that now, because this around. Put on the steel then you can slide on the steel. You see, alright, look at this one. You see two holes them? Them are more higher. Because one of them steel will come so. You know, I use one of them, it's the other one of them. You don't need so much steel to tight up. Because no one but we hang up on it.
So when they want to come to the wall next to
I use three data, I use everyone I hold and send a script to everyone because remember that's one curve. That's the 200 ticket in this sort of currency that we have up on it. So still alright. Put up the steel on the shirt and now. Two only for go.
can put in one them so.
Eh?
Can put in one them so.
Yeah, but
The two them start to go higher.
yeah. Put the two 6 feet one first. I mean 6 feet and start.
They're too long when I go. Instead of go
Yeah, I'm gonna put in on it. So yeah, one starts up quick. One is not there.
Then two left in work.
No, man, then two that go board.
Two we are going.
Yes, I want to that.
So then you're alright.
No, but then two that the close thing can ease up work. No, skip. It's another better one. So you use this come at this, so put in them, put one. Yeah, but use a fine one right now, use a fine one. Small one. Oh, we gotta skip that, skip that. Just, and then we skip. And then come on in.
So you still have enough of them.
No, I mean, if it's something that it can't be now,
When I
when
say having customer rate.
yeah, because if we do that way here.
Is it any closer now?
No, so the way now go on if you make it sway up. So.
One year ago.
Skip on the one I want there.
Oh, what?
Look on it, I want myself. Look on this place. I'm going to concrete one and get hold on. It's kind of not force and then have to do a different one. You know what I mean? This like concrete side passing. Just kind of lock in on it. That's the company. Put the bank on. With every other and this number, so. How much have you? 23?
23 hours.
You right there?
Yeah.
22 or something?
Then, alright, still 20, so 23.
Yeah, that's alright. So you can get to that one because 23, you can't get that finish line.
23 comes to 16.
Yeah, but cutting arm and ease out the jelly. Now, maybe others. Cooking down Shout out. No, I catch one for catch up as soon. I don't want a big thing. So, put together back right here. That's why I have to keep on the bike. I'm in my way to go. See that?
that way.
Yeah.
Eat that shot.
Yeah, man, put the line, anything up on top of it. And then, yeah, let me see right. See, I can't wait a little. Yeah, let me see this. Three or two. Two, man. Just one up. And then I see can't move. Yeah? That's three of them. Oh, no, you talk about the same one you put up on the wall. I thought I put that in the wall, sir. Worked out.
That's it.
Got it up. Sing it. Juliana Square. Okay. Let's just know.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Hold on. Well, you, when you discuss it, you're going to go for
Yeah? Look at that.
You get your foot on the bed, you soon have to go and start early on the pump.
That the front part.
Yeah, because if you and that I'll say so much. I'll turn this on. So I square one. And make a piece of like American. Oh my God, that's it.
Piece of bowl by hand, cut out it. Put on windows and cut it in amount. Those can be in two places like shading.
Just gonna stick. Battery a charge up. Wow. Space? You know catch?
We don't like putting more back now.
No, that is still, that's it. That's not critical.
Japan,
Yeah.
so you short one bowl. Short one.
No, I shot a two. Which one?
This one is of lock up the outside, or is of the outside.
How much other one there? So me know.
Yeah, two were short.
Two? Yeah, because I have two short ones for this, right?
Yeah.
So put them on now. Let's set it up. Let's set it up. Wait on this son. Yeah man, turn I want to feel side. Wait on this son. No, this side. No, that fill up on the next side. Next side I fill up on. Switch on over. No, flip it back. Like what happened. Yeah, that's a set fill up. And next one come up on the side. Like space so they put it already. reach out and so
If take up, we can pull up at this. Then supposed to drop. And don't put the back.
and near that, I saw money ground.
Nothing.
But you get it square, you want it square now. Does that make sense?
Okay, much.
You see it? 18 verse 1.
Like this curve and all this.
wanna. After this, my feet flip you over. You get scared? Hold on. kind of but you couldn't keep it on so little bit. When the piece of pipe is going to steal them. Stop. So, ben rest aan de man even Welcome to my live. Welcome to all viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I'm making a kitchen counter. We gotta put granite on it or tile. So we're in the decking, the concrete work. So I like to show before and after. So this is the before and after. Deeper down, when it look nice and pretty, then we show you the after. So this is the carpenter work and the steel work, and we're gonna mix concrete and cast it today. But the live won't be able to do so long. So let's give you an insight of what's going on. And you will see when I post the official video, the edit version with the before and after. Alright, before pushing the square, that's how you can go this one. And everything that we have is now sharp one. This. The ones. No, man, I'm going to walk this way if you don't know. So drive in two of them. And like you put the big one. Yes, sir. Shut that one out to the end. Next one. But if I forgot anything on this stuff, yeah. Let's catch it for this. Speak all right. You need a square. That's good. Work with that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. catch it. Good. Catch him up in my brain. Put your ball right there. Yeah, yeah. Who's doing this here? Get yourself. Good? Yeah. Huh? Square shot. Ready for that? Square. Square. Inside. This will hang like that inside. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, still, just stopping down.
Not much this. Pushing to make this clear. Right, that's
Yeah.
One class crew. Why is so nice here, sir? This way, like, this way.
Like increase now, so.
Yeah, please.
One little by one.
Try to learn. This is something else. Right. Understand this. Okay, so we don't know.
Or
This takes a push down.
apply what that. We cut down shut up over here. Right there, push that up.
Yeah. I'm using here now. Yo, what that thing? Let's try to do this. Oh, that green light there now. No, you can put that down. Put it on, put that this one. All right. See, you say I want. Pipe on it.
The screw shut. Yeah, shut around.
Twelve and 12. So 12.
After this now, you could be average behind this. So at least you could be average more stuff under this.
Try this in there with it. Yeah. Why not? Yeah, nothing interfere with it. So now, you don't want to leave one up, you can't knock it on the box. Try us, knock it on so. When I do it, when I need what I do it. Better thing that, eh?
Yeah.
This one, not alright. So what am I going to do? I see space. You like what I'm doing here, so yeah. So then for the minute two.
Check out the chicken in there.
I just think about what's up here. You want me somewhere else? Next one, say the next one, alright. Up and moving on the next. 22. So we can lock up our sun. On the board, alright. So, steel work. Copper counter. I'll tie up the steel. So when I lay in a block with us, I can't so. When in better these are side now, so if you want to knock down, you can knock down, you understand? Alright. So it's an L counter, so we never want to cut the pliers, so we just use a ply. White same here. Alright, so them two never know what's wrong, so. Knock down, knock down. Yeah, use one space. Good. You see back up one. Yeah, man, it's going to go for you know. Inside counter. cut concrete that go through.
But you say when I saw them, we like one and so, we have one and so. One and so, that's space.
I'm going to close up on me and say, kill them thing that.
I'm school for pictures when I want to. No.
No, I'm still going to be.
No, it's fine.
It's a cool fine.
I'm going to see it and go over and
And yeah, it's a feeling and say, you need somebody to get from them by. I'm saying, but I have a sort of fly.
just want to see how you can and just hold it in the gun. So you tell me that around there, you tell me. You say, you gun like.
Actually, I'm not good for one walk now over the sun. I'm going to see for it.
Work out.
Yeah. So I have to deep back this. You know, so if I look at something like that, so you can't read no. And then yeah. And it's like the one next thing for me. A little piece.
And a shoot piece of pipe for you.
Oh, and bigger pipe. Oh, yeah man. pipe and this. But even the same pipe and now I can't use this.
You can, when that drop, when you can push through, you just push it forward. Was it the 40 piece of ply?
Eh?
Was it the 40 ply?
Not enough flip out apply.
Oh, that was put it on in the same
Yeah. And then none apply and flip out. Just added this the week of the two before the spacing.
Yeah.
And that was something good for me at the same time. So
Just drive on one year, boy.
now two drive on.
You got one, like, let's say concrete leak here, I want.
Need 1 year in front.
Alright, that doesn't play this. It's a piece of pipe, make it easy.
Another pipe, yeah, thank you, no.
Yeah. Alright, it's gonna have me to go down there because piece of the way it is. On the outside. So you go like this, step on this, the outside. You right there, sir. Where's the one?
That's the plier now.
The quicker try like that. Maybe it was so ugly. And it was on the foot.
No.
Right now, I'm listening. If I want 1 year after the system, it's still in that condition. Stuff it. I'm going to the black plug. Alright. It's so easy to put that together. First, we are doing this, $1 something, thing. Like I show no waste no material. Okay, because somebody buy material, give me, but because Sandra activities and the start cut.
So chop off my needle.
You ready to put it on there? Peace. Ready? So we probably have to say that a long screw. Maybe I'll find the screw. Put it in there. Here comes this. I already put it in there. Distance this. Bottom screws. I can catch it from. And screw this. Make sense? Yeah, we come here to the edge, right? Then I catch it right.
Yeah, get you.
Weird. when we reach the blue, so they get more. Alright, so how much I want this not need I must need a piece of one piece of what's the foot to need fair.
If you have a lot where shot out of the beginning and shot 2 moves for training.
Want to sit overnight. I mean, I use it. Try and see their feet and then I pass on. That's your much over, sir. Reach. And then more. Let's see that.
You have a fly back into try again, even or
The back.
pick up on
Not really want to feel. Okay, so I go. Dry concrete along there.
book qualified.
Yeah?
So the book qualified, let's fly into some drawing or balance and one. You can steal your keys off.
Dry concrete along there go on this step. You keep this along, again I say for you.
So shot 2 tall and I can send one.
Huh?
So if I shot 2 tall and I can send
Concrete. One, are you happy?
So you can send home, but then fly down and fly school.
I said, come on. Let's see this. So we sit down with ball.
Russian like that.
Yeah. You know, eh?
No, I don't put that.
Yeah. You're a jag in there.
Yeah, see, it's from now, I say, so much up here.
I say I could have an ass, man. That's just Got on all right, right? We need something to control. As long as I'm not on this stuff. I don't know if you know any. Hmm? No, we're not pizza, it's a sharp pizza. I don't know, it's alright. You see me? You know, screw it up. Screw it from. Those who are use screw. I don't know them all, them have a fly. They even know them. Hold on, stand up. Go fi climb me first. Climb me here. So what this one? Squeeze. Put it on yourself, you don't need combination. Squeeze it out. It's something you know, this turn out today. I don't know, wait. Yeah. Still not only can't put off. What about it? I don't know, something like this. My brother will find in the chapter of this one. I don't know how that goes. Yeah. Alright, now so, two shot, no, I don't use that. Make up, yeah,
Oh,
we'll go two before then.
this could be coming and win, come in and say 1 plus also. This
See that thing border?
is what we say.
We're find a client. You take it down for the client. Put this answer that one, and this long enough for us. Nice shot.
The more you shot, aside. If you're giant.
Shot.
Yeah.
Two cutting another shot. A flat is not going to have this one. Leave it line on flat. I think it's a corner. I don't know. I'm going to deep thing here, so I still don't go down and stay line. Cold, I'll finish 23 minutes. Send this on this one. That can make complete a finish. And then one piece there, so nowhere. 42, 41. Anyway there. You want to use a piece of the level.
You go ahead.
So they put this as making so much different soup. How much is on for me?
I'm going to fly on the 4:30 in the car.
Let's go 93. 93.